We're gonna learn today about teams. The first thing, we're gonna learn how to update a sent assignment without deleting it and then using. And also, I'm gonna show you how you can, as a teacher, show the grades of assignments in just one page. And finally, we're gonna learn how to send an assignment to just one student. I'm with you now, Mr. Hussein, the Technology Club channel. If you are not a subscriber, you can subscribe and follow me to get everything new. Now let's begin. The first thing is how to update an assignment wherever, wherever or whenever it was sent. And as a teacher, he may do a mistake. In such a case, there is no need to delete this assignment and then to put a new assignment. No, there is another useful thing we're gonna learn now. Now, first of all, we're gonna open the Teams, go to the channel, and then we're gonna go to the assignment. After that, just a little bit wait, and then here we're gonna go to the three dots, and then we're gonna click on the update assignment. I'm sorry for this Arabic, but I think it's available. It's similar in English. And then here, these are the first data that has been put in the first time, and then in such a case we can refine and then click on the update after fixing the information. Then we're gonna show you how the pupils can see. Now all they have to see just the assignment has been refined and the assignment is there without any deleting or making a new assignment. The second thing today, I'm going to show you how to show the assignment grades just in one page, and also the final thing, how to send one assignment to just one pupil or a student. Again, we're going to go to the Teams and then the assignment also. Up there, the three dots, we're going to click on, and then you have to use export to Excel. Click on, just wait until the file is downloaded. This needs just a little bit time in order to be downloaded. Now I'm going to show you how it could be shown. Just a moment. As you know, when you download, all you have to do is just to go to my computer and then go to downloads, and there you have to wait until it is downloaded. Okay, it will be ready right now. Okay, now the Excel is ready. Now click on, and you're gonna see how the pupils are listed with their names, names, their emails, and also the grades. And in such a case, you can send this file to any head department or whoever. Finally, we're gonna learn now how to send just one assignment to one students. Just go to the channel, okay, to the the general channel, and click on the new conversation, and below you have to put the symbol at, and then you're gonna choose the student's name. Just click on, and then you can uh, send him or her any file from your computer, from OneDrive, or whatever, wherever it is. Just we're gonna choose here a file available in the desktop, and click on, and then download it, and finally send. This will be sent to this only the students rather than the whole class. That's all today. I hope it will be enjoyable and useful to those my all colleague teachers in all subjects. If you are not subscriber, please you can subscribe and get everything new. Thank you and bye bye.